If you were wondering what insects looked like about 230 million years ago, these could be an accurate representation. Scientists in Italy discovered 2 mites and some of a fly in minute samples of amber, which had been extracted from high up in the northeastern Dolomite Mountains. These preserved specimens are believed to be the oldest insects in the world. Amber is known to be an excellent source of preservation, and although the insects are not visible to the human eye, they are reportedly remarkably similar to mites seen in modern day.